Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how can you remove background or replace the sky in Photoshop. This is really an awesome trick you never think of, because there are so many ways to make a selection and remove the background. You can use many methods. But today I will show you this trick. It will shock you, because it's so perfect that, no matter how difficult to select the background, you can remove the background so easily. I hope you will enjoy learning this new trick. So watch till the end. And tell me your valuable word in the comments section below. Leave a like, and subscribe if you didn't yet. So let's start today's tutorial. Now we are here in the magical world of Photoshop. In today's tutorial, I will use this image to show you how can you remove the sky or background. You can see it's a tree image. And if you try to select the sky, you will not be able to select the background properly. It's very difficult to select the background through this tree. To remove this kind of difficult background, this method will work perfectly. And you can remove the background so easily. First, press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a duplicate layer. Invisible the down layer. Select the first layer, go down and click to the FX icon. It will come up with the blending option. Now, this is the trick. You can remove the sky using the blending option. Go down, you can see blend if. Now it has two different sliders. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you remove the sky or replace background using blend if option. We're going to use this layer slider. Now if I take the point and go to the left, you can see it will remove the white and the similar color. And if I bring the slider down, it will remove everything. There is color channel in the blend if option: gray, red, green, blue. If you select each color, you can remove that color using slider. If I select gray and bring the slider down, it will remove the gray color first, then other. If I change it red channel, it will remove the red color in this image or similar color. Now select blue, because we are targeting the blue sky to remove. So select the blue channel. And select the right side point and go left. It will remove the sky from the background. Take time and remove the background carefully and try to be perfect. You can also break point, press Alt or Option on your keyboard and break it. Now you can adjust it more smoothly. After removing the sky, hit OK. We remove the sky, you can see. But if you see to the thumbnail of the image layer, it's showing the sky. That's mean, we didn't remove the sky properly. If I press Ctrl or Command then click to the thumbnail, it will not select the area are visible. So how can you remove the background properly? Don't worry, select the layer, press the right button on your mouse, and convert to Smart Object. Now if you see the thumbnail, it will show the background removed. Press Ctrl or Command on your keyboard, then click. Now you can see it will select properly. Select the background layer and press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a duplicate layer. Put the layer to the top. Invisible the layer. Go to Adjustment Layer, take solid color, choose any color you like. Hit OK. Put the layer back to the tree image. Now we are done. Now you can see we removed the sky and the background from the tree. Now we just remove the sky and replace it. You can use any kind of image, no matter how difficult it is to make a selection and remove the background. This method will work and you can remove that. Change the color channel and remove any kind of color you like. Thank you for watching until the end. And tell me your valuable word in the comments below. Leave a like, and subscribe if you didn't yet. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye. And the most important thing, keep learning.